my channel. This is Jasmine's World, and I am none other than your host, Jasmine, and I am so happy to be back with you guys. I know it's been a while, so I'm not even going to waste any time. So today what we're going to be doing is fluffing my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I take my hair from a compressed state in a pineapple to this huge curly fro, and what products I use and picks and all of those things. So if you're interested in this, just keep watching. So unfortunately, I filmed this video horizontally. Vertically. Sorry. I filmed this video vertically on accident, and I didn't realize until the whole video was done. So yay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the video that I did in the top one of these corners, and I'm gonna just explain what's happening. So basically what's happening right now is I'm just showing you guys my hair in this pineapple and what it looks like once I take it off. I always sleep with my hair in a pineapple, and then maybe a bonnet on top, maybe not. It just depends on the day, depends on how I feel. So then when I wake up, I take it off, and the first thing I do is I kind of just let my curls fall and do what they do, because it's just easier that way instead of having to manipulate even more than you would have to, and basically losing days of, you know, a wash and go. You can just take the time to wait and be patient. So basically I just wait until it falls a little bit. And then once it falls a little bit, I start to put my avocado oil on my hair, like the strands of my hair. And I take it and I twist and I place the oil there all over as much as I can. And after that, that's when I place oil on my scalp and I give myself a nice head massage. I mean, the massage is amazing. You need to do this every day to circulate blood flow. This helps with hair growth, and it just keeps your scalp ready to produce more inches. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about retention and keeping my hair growing, so that's one way I do that. So after this, I start picking my hair with this purple pick, and this purple pick I've had for a while. I got it from a local beauty store. It's not expensive whatsoever. Came in a pack of maybe 4. I lost one, and the one I still have is the purple one, so that's the one I use. I do prefer plastic. I do, however, want to try Curly Bev's pick that she has, because it looks like it works amazing. I just haven't had a chance to go and order, but I want to. So I take the pick and I start picking from the root to maybe, not really mid, but I try to just keep it as much to the roots as I can until about day 3, 4, you know, toward the end of the cycle, when it's about time to wash it again. I don't want to add too much frizz to my hair, more than I have to, so I try my best to manipulate as little as possible. So after this, I just keep picking, I keep picking, and then, you know, I pull apart a little bit if I need to, you know, I pin if I need to. I do what I gotta do. And then after that, we have, voila, this beautiful fro. I am in love with my hair. I know I rarely wear my hair in middle parts anymore, but I kind of like it today. I'm kind of feeling it, you know, I'm kind of feeling it. I like it. So I don't know, there might be more of these middle parts. Also, this is day 2 of a wash and go. I did all of my stuff in the shower, including using the Wet Extreme in the shower, and I am going to do a video on that so I can tell you guys how that works and what the differences are if you use it in the shower as opposed to outside of the shower in front of the mirror. But I use Camille Rose products in this wash and go. I use the whole line, the ginger shampoo along with the algae mask and the almond jai, as well as their conditioner. I can't remember, it's a lavender color, but I used all of their products except for the curl maker because I used the Wet Extreme, of course, but I really enjoyed it. I really love these products. They're really good, and my hair has some hold to it, but it's also very free and bouncy and big like I like. So yeah, and I also link below the Camille Rose video so you guys can watch that and see what I'm talking about and how, you know, how flat my hair was yesterday. I didn't get a chance to film, but it was really flat. So yeah, this is the end result. I really like it, and I hope that this was helpful. Hey y'all, thanks for watching yet another one of my videos. I hope that it was helpful as well as educational for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them below, or anything that you would like for me to try, leave that below as well, because I like to listen and I will try. So I hope that you all have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post new content. Have a blessed day.